Let's move on now. French President Emmanuel Macron has called on pharmaceutical giants to donate 10% of their COVID-19 vaccines to developing countries. Listen in.
Don de doses fait par les États doit être complété.
The donation of doses by the states must be supplemented by donations of doses by the pharmaceutical companies. Indeed, I would like to remind you that in the past, we have collectively defined such commitments for the private sector. We were able, particularly during the H1N1 epidemic, to define targets for donations of doses by laboratories with a commitment to donate 10% of the doses sold elsewhere. This was called the Pandemic Influenza Preparedness Framework, which was adopted by the 64th World Health Assembly. This objective seems particularly relevant to us. We are obviously experiencing an international crisis, and the states, with the money of our fellow citizens, our taxpayers throughout the world, have massively financed research, the acceleration of research, the purchase of doses for ourselves, the purchase of doses to enable us to donate. And it is a legitimate ask for the pharmaceutical industry to contribute proportionately on the basis of this already existing framework to this solidarity.
Sur la base de ce cadre déjà existant, à cette solidarité.
Macron has supported the goal of getting 60% of Africans vaccinated by March 2022. The goal was set by the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention earlier. Macron has urged leaders of the G7 countries to back this goal. He said that this goal is more ambitious compared to the one already provided by the COVAX jab scheme, which aims to inoculate some 20% of Africans by the end of this year. EU members have agreed to donate 100 million vaccine doses by the end of 2021, while France and Germany have pledged 30 million shots each. Macron has also welcomed the United States' decision to donate 500 million vaccine doses to the poor countries. He called it great news and said that Europe should do the same. The US has vowed to buy and donate 500 million doses of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine, and these vaccines will then be distributed to 92 low-income countries and the African Union through the COVAX scheme led by the WHO. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.